Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to pass parameters for a report in URL. So how this is going to help you is you can actually use this as drill down for report to report. For example, just think you have a report and you are trying to pass some parameters from one report to another report. So that can be only possible using the URL parameters list. Okay. So we will go deeper in that concept in the next tutorials, but I'm going to show you how to work with a report parameters passing from URL. Okay, so I'll just run this report very simply. So run this report. So you can see by default partial college has been selected. So that is the same thing which I have mentioned in my report as a default parameter. Okay, so the partial college is selected, and it is actually seeing whether the partial college is present in the list of uh, parameters which we have actually populated from the Jasper server, and it is available, so it is selecting by default this one. If there is no partial college, so it won't be like selected this way. Okay, so here you need to just check what is your parameter name exactly. So you can see here it's education level, so just copy this name and go to your server. So go to your server. So this is the URL you have. Just copy this URL and take it to Notepad anywhere. So I'll just click this, and here I'm going to actually add an and here this will be the parameter name. Sorry, education. So this must be same as your the parameter name in the report. So the parameter name in the report, this one. And now I'm just going to add equals to, no need to use any single quotes or double quote for this to run. Okay, so I'm just going to use graduate degree here. So by default partial college is selected. I'm going to select graduate degree. So copy this one and just go to Notepad and paste it here. Okay, so I'll just copy this URL as it is and run it in my server. I'll just close this one. Make sure you're already logged into this server. So I'm already logged in, so just paste it here. So you can see graduate degree is by default selected. So if you want to have multi-select parameters in the same place, you need to do a very simple thing. Use another and here. Okay, and use the same education level equals to and go with the parameter name what you want to use. So high school degree I'm going to use now. So paste it here. So now by default the partial college must be unchecked and these two must be highlighted, the graduate degree and the high school degree. Okay, just copy this report URL and go to your browser and just click this. Now you can see graduate degree and high school degree is selected. So just click on apply and your report is run. So what if you want the report should be running directly with the URL instead of again asking the user to select OK. So just go to view repository. So in the sample, just click on the report and click edit. And in the controls and resources, just make this is not checked, always prompt, and make sure this is in page and submit. So what I'll do is I'll run the same URL now. Now you can see the parameters will get selected and the report will run automatically. So you can see the parameters got selected and the report runs automatically. So this is the best way actually we can make the use of the URL parameters. So that's it guys for now. So we'll catch up in the next video with some new tutorial. Thank you.